Hello everyone, welcome to this Vinyasa flow. If you want to improve your one-legged balance, then this is a great practice for you. And if you think you have a pretty good balance, then you can test it here. Otherwise, this is a great practice if you want to improve your core strength and leg strength. So if we're ready, we're gonna start on our mat in Tadasana. So guys, we're gonna start in Tadasana. Maybe your feet are close to each other or at hip width distance, whichever you like and whichever is accessible right now. Now interlace your fingers and turn them upward. Reach your arms up and come on your toes, tippy toes. Inhale, exhale, bring your hand down and also the heels. Again, lift up, inhale up, reach your arms up, shoulders touching your ears. Exhale, come down. Once more, inhale, lift up, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, from here, separate your feet wider and bend towards the left side. Maybe your left hand comes to the right side. Open up your chest. Inhale, come back. Repeat to the other side. Open up your chest forward. Inhale, come back. Repeat to the left side again. Come back. Right side. Open up your chest. Inhale, come back. Now separate your feet wider and we're gonna do this Skandasana. वहाँ तक नीचे जाना है जहाँ तक आप नीचे जाकर वापस से उठकर सेंटर पे आ सको. Okay, once again on the left side and then to the right. Last one on the left, and I want you to hold it here. Hold. 1, 2, ground your feet. 3, 4, 5. Come back and repeat to the other side. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come back to the center, and what you are gonna do is interlace your fingers at the back and open up your chest. Otherwise, you can just hold your opposite elbows with your palms and open up your chest. Inhale. Exhale, bring it down as far down as you can. Forward fold. Inhale, come back. Inhale, open up your chest. Exhale, down. Inhale, open up your chest. Exhale, down. We're gonna hold it here. Try to bring your hand closer to the mat. Inhale. Exhale. Now inhale, open up your chest and hold it here. Inhale and exhale. Last one. Come back to the center. And now come to forward fold again. Step your foot back into downward facing dog. Inhale, come to plank. Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. From here, step your left foot forward in between your palms and come to a high lunge. From here, we're gonna twist in the high lunge. Place your right elbow on your left knee and twist toward left side. Take a deep breath in. Exhale out. Now see if you can go for the bind here. If not, you can stay in the twisted pose in palms in prayer. Now release the twist. Come back to high lunge and slowly shift your weight on the left leg. And hold this T posture, maybe hands in prayer, or if you can challenge yourself, then come to full T posture. Now place your left hand on the ground, right hand on the ground, and twist gently towards the left side. Hold. Come back to T posture, hands in prayer, and slowly turn your body towards the right side and come to half moon. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly step back into high lunge. Inhale. Exhale. Bring your hands down. Step back to downward facing dog. Take the Vinyasa, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now step your right foot to the front in between your palms. Reach your arms up. Breathe. Now go for the twist. Arms in prayer. You can stay here, or maybe you can go for the bind if you can. You can drop your knee here, back knee, and hold the bind in low lunge if it is difficult for you right now. Hold. One, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now slowly come back to high lunge. Reach your arms up and slowly shift your weight on the right leg. Come to T posture. Maybe hands in prayer, or to challenge yourself, come to full T posture. You can bend the front knee to balance. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now bring the left hand on the ground, right arm reaches up, and go for the twisted half moon. Exhale. Now come back to T posture and bring the right arm on the ground and left hand reaches up. Come to half moon. Hold. Maintain your balance. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly step your left foot back and reach up into high lunge. Inhale, exhale, bring the hands down, come to downward facing dog. Now round forward into plank. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Catch your breath here. Take a moment to breathe and relax. Bend the knees one by one. Now from here, walk your legs forward and come to Tadasana. Inhale, raise your arms up. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, come to chair pose. Now from here, we're gonna shift our weight on the right leg and left leg is lifted up. From here, bring your hands in prayer and squat down as you can. Inhale and bring your leg to the front. Bend the knee again and slowly squat down as you can. Inhale, stand up. Straighten your leg to the front. Bend the knee. Slowly exhale, squat down. Inhale, stand up. Bring your foot to the front. Hold it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna come to Garudasana from here. Now come to Garudasana. Squat down. Maintain your balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Left ankle on the right knee. Hold it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, from here, step back to downward dog. Inhale and exhale. Round forward into high plank. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. From here, walk forward and again come to Tadasana. Inhale. Exhale, come to chair pose. From here, lift your right leg up. Squat down. Inhale, up. Bring the foot to the front. Exhale, squat down. Slowly. Inhale, up. Straighten the foot to the front. Exhale, squat down for the last time. Inhale, lift up the leg to the front. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here, wrap your right foot around your left leg and also the arms. Garudasana. Inhale and exhale. 3, 2, 1. From here, figure 4. Right ankle on the left knee. Squat down. Inhale and exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stand up. Step back to downward facing dog. From here, come to high plank. And now, hold this one-legged high plank. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Knee to nose. 1, knee to nose, 2, three-legged dog, knee to nose, three-legged dog, knee to nose, three-legged dog, last one, and now hold it here. Now bring the foot down, hold the plank from the other side, right leg lifted up, hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, three-legged dog, knee to nose, 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 three-legged dog, last one, hold it here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, bring the foot down, and come to child pose. And we are done with our practice, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure that cool down yourself properly. I hope you enjoyed this practice, and see you next time.